CSS isn't just for styling anymore, it's also a powerful tool for bringing websites to life. Hi, I'm Oля, and today we're going to take a quick look at how a few lines of code can turn a static web page into a living, breathing ocean scene. Let's start with the sea and the boat. These two are animated with simple up and down bobbing motions using CSS keyframes. The sea gently rises and falls using the height property, giving the illusion of moving tides. The boat, on the other hand, shifts its position using the transform property. By adjusting its vertical position over time, it rocks naturally on the water's surface. These small tweaks make a big difference in bringing realism to the scene. Now let's take a closer look at the clouds. This is where it gets a little more interesting. All of the clouds share the same base animation settings in the .cloud class. That includes a 20-second duration, infinite repetition, and a smooth ease in-out motion. But here's the key. Each cloud uses a different keyframes animation to move across different distances. For example, drift slow moves the cloud just 10% of the viewport width. Meanwhile, drift fast covers 50%. Since the time is constant, clouds that travel farther have to move faster to get there. That's how we create depth and variety in motion. Some clouds drift lazily, while others move with a bit more urgency, adding life to the sky. And then there's the sun. It's made using SVG, and what brings it to life is a subtle glow animation. We applied the pulse glow animation to two SVG circle elements layered behind the sun core. Here's how it works. The circles scale up over time from normal size to about 1.8x while fading in and out. We've also added a delay to the second glow, so they're slightly out of sync. This creates a smooth, radiant, pulsing effect, like the sun is breathing light into the scene. These effects, whether it's bobbing boats, drifting clouds, or glowing suns, are all powered by CSS animations. No JavaScript, no video files, just pure HTML, CSS, and a little creativity. Thanks for watching.